Hyundai recently debuted the Ioniq 3, a new electric hatchback that sits just beneath the larger Ioniq 5. Now Genesis might get its own version one day. In an interview with Autocar, Peter Kronchnabel, Genesis Europe's managing director, told the publication that the brand is evolving. He said, "We need to look at fast-growing segments where we might need to be present in order to nurture customers." Since its inception a decade ago as a standalone brand, Genesis has steadily grown from a pair of sedans into a broad, appealing, and competitive portfolio, but it doesn't compete in every segment with its rivals. Kronchnabel told Autocar that there is white space that does not make sense for the brand. You need to be very careful when you look into this white space and not just go there because you believe there is a short-term opportunity, he added. The brand is not looking for quick wins, but a small premium SUV is something Genesis is evaluating, but Kronchnabel had nothing to confirm. Genesis is a global brand, and the models that it launches in Europe and elsewhere might not end up in American showrooms. Even if the brand fails to follow through on a small EV, Genesis still has big plans. In April, Genesis announced it plans to launch 22 models between now and the end of 2030 in America. The brand also plans to launch new derivatives, more trim levels, and next-generation powertrains. Some of these will be new generations of existing models and mid-cycle refreshes, but some should be all-new offerings. We expect Genesis to continue expanding its Magma sub-brand, which will likely include a new Halo supercar. In November 2025, Genesis teased that potential product with the Magma GT concept. Genesis has produced several other concepts, like the X-Gran Equator, that could also spawn future models. With Hyundai not bringing the Ioniq 3 to the US market, we doubt we will get Genesis small EV if it decides to build one. While the Hyundai Ioniq 5 remains quite popular, the overall EV market is bleak, and Americans already despise small cars.